In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Google account and print Google Sheets just the way you want them. Let's dive straight into it. To begin, open up your web browser of choice and navigate to Google. On the top right corner of the screen, you'll find the Sign In button. Click on this button and enter your credentials as prompted. Once you've successfully logged in, you're ready to access Google Sheets. Now that you're within your Google account, turn your attention to the top right corner of the screen again. This time, you'll be looking for the 9-dot grid icon, commonly referred to as the Google Apps icon. Go ahead and click on that. A drop-down menu will appear, displaying a variety of Google applications. From here, you're going to select Sheets. This action will take you to the Google Sheets homepage, where you can either open an existing document or create a new one. For this tutorial, we're going to open a new sheet. Simply click on the plus blank option and a fresh spreadsheet will be at your fingertips, ready for your data entry. You've now got your spreadsheet open and populated with information. The next key step is to make sure your spreadsheet is perfectly formatted for printing. Proper print formatting ensures that everything looks orderly and professional. Let's walk through those all-important print settings. Begin by clicking on File in the top menu bar. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there you're going to select Print. This action will open the print preview window, which is where we can adjust the appearance of our printed document. First things first, you'll want to decide on the page orientation. Whether you prefer landscape or portrait, make sure it suits the layout of your spreadsheet content. A landscape setup is typically wider and is often better for spreadsheets with numerous columns, while portrait orientation works well for content-heavy displays that aren't very wide. Next, look at the scaling options. This is where you can adjust how your spreadsheet fits onto the printed page. If you find that your document is spilling over onto too many pages, adjust the scale to fit more content onto each page. This can be particularly useful for keeping spreadsheets concise and easy to read. If you only need to print a specific part of your spreadsheet, you'll want to set a print area. This is a handy feature when you're dealing with large spreadsheets, but only need a segment of it printed. Select the area you wish to print by highlighting the necessary cells and adjust the settings accordingly in the print options. Once you're satisfied with all these settings, you're ready to hit the print button, and there you have it. Your Google Sheet is now printed, looking as clean and professional as your content deserves. With these straightforward steps, you can ensure your printed spreadsheets are not only informative, but also neatly presented.